Hi guys, I'm Sharon. Welcome back to this channel, and today we're gonna make molten chocolate lava cake. If you don't know what is molten chocolate lava cake, it is basically a chocolate cake that has a melted center.
Wow!
And the center tastes like chocolate. It's heaven. So we are going to make it. So because it's going to be really fast, it's going to be only 30 minutes in estimation because baking time is 20 minutes and maybe preparation will be 10 minutes. So we're going to first coat the outer layer of these glass bowls, which is going to be our mold for our chocolate cake. So over here you just need some butter and some cocoa powder, and the concept for this is to coat the outer layer of the mold with butter and then sprinkle in some cocoa powder into the butter to coat the whole layer so it doesn't stick to the pan. Done. So we're gonna repeat this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more times. Okay, so now we're gonna make our batter by starting by blend marrying this chocolate, and this is 70% dark chocolate. So we're just gonna melt this along with the butter. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on the hot stove with water inside, and this is called blend marry, so it's gonna melt chocolate over steam. That's the concept.
One eternity later.
Okay, as you can see, it's starting to melt already, but you don't want this to be too hot or not it'll start boiling and you don't want that. So now that it's melted, we are going to add in the eggs. I feel sorry for these baby chickens, but they need to be in the eggs, in the cake. So just one by one, just keep doing it, but first we have to make it a little bit colder, or not there will be fried eggs. Even worse. You know what, I think it's good now. So let's put in the eggs. And just mix it until the texture becomes smooth and all together. So next you will need to put your sifted icing sugar inside your batter and just keep mixing gradually. Don't mix too hard or not it'll just poof on your face. It ever happened to me, so just don't do it. Gradually, let me see. So you have to sift your icing sugar, or not, you don't want it to have chunks in it because, yeah, you just don't want to. You want a smooth, even batter, such as this one. And this one has chunks in it. Maybe you think that there's chunks in this batter, but it's just bubbles, which will go away eventually. So let's move on to the next step. So the next step is to put the flour inside, and this is cake flour. So we just put it in gradually. So now you just have to mix all these mini ingredients there, which are salt, just a little bit, and then cocoa powder. Yeah, it's cocoa powder. And I'm pretty sure this is coffee, espresso powder or something, which I don't really like, but it'll add a really good taste to your cakes. I mean, your lava cakes. And then cinnamon. And then your vanilla paste. And most of you are thinking maybe like, what does vanilla paste do to your batter? It makes like it tastes really, it tastes like vanilla-ish. Like it kinda, I don't know how to say it. It's like, it just tastes better with vanilla paste. So, but it doesn't have to put in every single cake, dessert, or anything that you want. It's certainly not don't put it inside bread. That's the only thing. Once it's all mixed like this until it's really smooth and there's no chunks in it, get out your molds that we have already lined in the beginning and then fill it up, and I'm just using an ice cream scooper so that it will all be even. So just go. Okay, so once you have filled in all these molds with your chocolate batter, so bake it in an oven with 200 degrees Celsius and then bake it for 18 minutes. But while you're waiting for 18 minutes to time up, you want to keep an eye on it. If it's starting to raise up, you need to take it out of the oven because you still want to make the center of the souffle melted. So it should have a little crease or like a bump in the middle, which we're going to show you later. So let's just put this in the oven. So now let's get into plating. So over here we have a plate that we covered half of the side with cling wrap. Then we're gonna put icing sugar on this side, only in like the middle. So it'll be cool, nice design, and probably nice plating. So now, after you put the lava cake on the plate, so it's best to be eaten with ice cream. It makes it balanced and a little bit like, it has like a mix of temperature in your mouth. It's hot and cold and it's just awesome. So I'm just gonna open this ice cream. Thank you for watching our video today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!